Good evening, everybody. Welcome to MK Quilts. And this evening's, we're calling it our market follow-up. So I am MK. I'm here in the studio tonight at MK Quilts. I am one half of your dynamic duo. And Paul, quickly spotlight Ellen, or Ellen, spotlight yourself, or add yourself to the spotlight. That might be better.
There we are, side by
There's
side.
there's Ellen. She is at her home in Tampa tonight. And Mr. MK, there he is. He's in the shop as well tonight. So we went to market this year. And I had been thinking about going just because we are a full service quilt shop here. We're located in Palm Harbor, Florida. But being the full service part of a quilt shop is still relatively new to us. So very, very brief introductions. If you're kind of new to MK Quilts and new to the dynamic duo, I am MK. I am Melissa Krushwitz. That's a mouthful. So I go by MK. I am co-owner of MK Quilts. My husband, Paul, affectionately known as Mr. MK, is my co-owner. And Ellen is my studio manager. And Ellen and I basically started out as long armors. Okay. And Ellen came to work for me about 4 years ago. And as time and things progressed here at MK Quilts, I kind of made the decision that we should start carrying fabric. Okay. There's a lot more that went into that decision, but we started carrying fabric actually during COVID times. So 2020 was basically when we kind of took the parlay into fabric. And boy, have things really taken off since then. So what we're going to do tonight, you can go on all of our social media sites and read more about us with further introductions. But what we're going to do tonight is we're going to start out with Mr. MK telling you a little bit about our handy quilter side of our business. So Paul, just give him a little bit about the machine sales that we do here, how we handle that, and what's going on right now in the way of machine sales. I don't hear you, Paul.
Oops. Okay, first of all, as you can tell, I'm a nerd, so I've got the funny self-tracking camera here. So I'm also the primary support person in the background supporting these machines and computers and everything else. But here at MK Quilts, we're selling all of their suite of products, but we tend to focus and specialize in the high-end stand-up long arms, the Amara, the Forte, and the Infinity, usually with Pro Stitcher. We do free motion stuff and things around here. We've got some of the smaller sit-down tables and things, but I think the big news here that they're putting out this weekend, and actually the whole week, is that the Forte, the 24-inch machine, is now going to be called the Amara 24. So you're going to have a variety of Amara machines. The Amara is a 20-inch. It can also be put in a sit-down table with regulation. That's the Amara ST. And I think they hired someone from Gamble, who marketing guy said, let's turn them into families. So they're renaming the Forte into the Amara 24, which is going to be loads of fun for me updating the website this weekend. But we have all these machines in stock. If you don't know us, we're very unique in that we actually test these out, we burn them in, we check them in ourselves, because we are one of the largest national retailers, and we can't afford to travel hundreds of miles to fix things, so we want to make sure they're right the first time. So anyone have any questions? I know I went to Texas this past week for about 8 days, and one thing we're starting here is we're also training machine owners to be their own technicians, so at least you can do your own timing and do some basic maintenance, especially under guidance of our videos and tutelage, because so many people out there don't have good qualified retailers with technicians. So that's sort of where my focus is. We've got a lot of good people that like Joya that help with sales and other stuff. So obviously give us a call if you have an interest in any of the machines or learning more.
Awesome. Well, those two pictures that I had up on the screen there were a couple of owners that we saw when we were down in Texas. So it's one of the joys that we have when we travel around the country is meeting up with our owners. So since we are national retailers, we were blessed to see two of our owners while we were down there in Texas. And one hosted us in their beautiful home, fed us brisket and margaritas, and the other, Cindy, she's an owner and she's a small business owner in her own right, and so she was at market as well.